I was first exposed to dentistry when I observed my mom working in a dental practice. I was about 10 or 11 years old.
I grew up around dentistry my entire life. I'm actually a fourth generation dentist in my family. I did not decide to go into dentistry until probably about college, where I was helping out my dad in the office, and I watched him bring a patient. She'd hide her smile, and every time she'd laugh, she'd cover her mouth. He gave her a beautiful smile. You could tell she just had confidence. She seemed like a whole new person, and that's what we as dentists can do. We can change people's lives in really meaningful ways where they feel good about themselves.
I started with a very small practice. It was only 2 chairs, it was a very, very small office. It was me, my wife, and people who were helping us. It took some years, but I found the right doctor, which I believe is amazing, which is Dr. Kwan, our associate. She's a Harvard graduate, she has amazing experience, and she loves patients. Then over the years, Ron joined the company.
We really are dentistry at its finest. My dad and my mom, I've always viewed them as my mentors. My dad is also one of my best friends. I tell people that he's my hero. I think we work along great because I trust him 1,000%. I respect him 1,000%.
I'm so proud of my son. He accomplished so much in such a short period of time. We grow together to make it work better and better.
Whenever I diagnose or treatment plan for a patient, whatever I am recommending to you is exactly what I'd recommend for my mom or my grandma. And I know the rest of the staff and the entire office treats patients like family.
Dentistry at Its Finest is located in Costa Mesa. We're a family and cosmetic dental office, and it's led by doctors Michael and Ron Ayzin. We welcome patients to become a member of our dental family and experience the difference that a personalized care can offer for your needs.
And the Quilly Award goes to Dr. Michael Ayzin, The Success Formula.
I wrote about my way from where I started, where I am right now. I just wanted to share with people the journey.
You went through a personal transformation that was very relevant.
And people around me as well. My wife, my son.
The Success Formula has been published now. It's very exciting. Was there some new realization you had through writing out that story?
Well, one thing came out, I cannot do it alone. So it has to be a team effort. And I'm always looking for that in my life and my work, and just everybody around me as well.
At my time, dental work was done without any anesthesia. So it was an experience, to say the least. I wanted to become a dentist where people would not be afraid to come to. My goal was to become a dentist who does not hurt.
I know specifically my dad got inspired by his mom, my grandmother. Watching her and seeing her hands work, he felt like it was a magician's hands. We're a family practice, and we like to treat our patients like family as well, and that's why we like to bring all their dental needs under one roof.
Technology is awesome. I believe in bringing to the office the latest technology which is available. It helps the patient to recover much faster, less invasive. Patient heals up much faster. To me, what is most important for the success of the case is the staff which takes care of our patients. They treat them like their family. It was my goal to hire people who care, who want to listen. They make this practice what it is. Dentistry at its finest.
Here at Dentistry at Its Finest, our philosophy is to have all our treatment under one roof. We want to be your dental home, because this way, you don't have to be shuffled around from office to office. You're comfortable with all the staff and your doctors. We know your case.
We have 3 doctors capable of doing multiple things and different skill sets, in fact, and yet with same work ethics, same standards of care. So we complement each other so that we can streamline the treatment for the best possible result.
Here at Dentistry at its finest, we do dentistry from the heart. We listen and we care. It is better to have all treatment done in one location for many reasons. Convenience is an obvious one. Costs are controlled better, and communication is so much easier between doctors. I learned early on that comprehensive approach to treatment is the best for the patient's well-being in the long term. The happiness of our patients is the most important for me and all our staff.
And we all have a cohesive philosophy, and we're able to deliver the best and most effective treatment for you. We use so much technology here to make your experience better. Whether that's our iTero scanner that scans the teeth to give you a 3D image so you can see what your mouth looks like. It also gives us a better diagnostic tool and to see your teeth and mouth in a whole new way.
We also offer multiple lasers, and lasers enhance outcome of dental treatment. The healing process is so much faster and easier.
We're able to do a lot of treatment, whether that's soft tissue or on your teeth, with our dental lasers.
We offer different modalities of sedation. So that's oral sedation, IV sedation, or even general anesthesia.
I had a patient in my chair who was very frustrated by her experience in other multiple dental offices where she was going from one to another. She felt she was not heard. One of the strengths of our practice is that we have multiple doctors, often on the same day. That gives us an opportunity to spend time with a new patient. That builds a rapport, and which obviously turns into success of the treatment.
You can call, text, or email us. We can give you a free consultation, and we're happy to teach you what it's all about.
We all have our strength in our particular fields. But the key to success of your case is that one doctor is in charge of your case from start to finish to make sure that you are happy with your results at the end of treatment. That's our goal.
So why don't you come on into Dentistry at Its Finest to get all your questions answered and go home with confidence that the smile that you always wanted or the smile that you used to have will be brought back by the doctors who care about you.
I had some crowns, some natural teeth. As I aged, I had some gum recession. I found myself not giving my full smile, but sort of adjusting it to hide some of the imperfections I was noticing. I just decided it was time to update my whole smile, and so I came in to see Dr. Ayzin.
Rich needed a lot of treatment, crowns, veneers, implants. Well, we basically changed his old restorative work and updated it with a new look. Whiter, brighter, something he'd be proud of, which made them look younger. Now, Rich loves his teeth. He smiles all the time.
Well, now that I've updated my smile, I feel like 10 years younger, and I think I am smiling more. I'm very grateful for the work Dr. Ayzin did, the time he put into it, explaining things to me, setting up the plan, taking it step by step, getting me to the point where I wanted my smile to be. It was easier than I could have ever imagined, painless. It's made me feel younger, I think, look younger. I'm really glad I had it done.
Transformative dentistry means transforming people's lives, whether that's a patient who can't smile and now they're able to smile again, patients who can't eat and now they're able to eat the foods that they want to and enjoy, able to spend time with their family and not having to close their mouths or hide behind their hands when they talk to people, giving people confidence again. At Dentistry at Its Finest, here are our top 3 treatment solutions that we provide for our patients.
Dental implants are for patients whose teeth are hopeless and are ready to be extracted, or who have been missing teeth for a long time, so that if they want to replace a tooth, an implant would be a great option, as if they never lost a tooth. Bridge, once again, is for patients who have been missing teeth for a long time, but have a lot of bone loss where they cannot place an implant.
If patient wants to build confidence because they're not smiling due to broken, chipped, stained teeth, porcelain veneers is a great option.
Veneers are for patients who do not want to aggressively cut or reduce their teeth like we have to do for our crowns. So for patients who have some spots, or if they want to mask some stains or colors for their front teeth, the dental veneers would be a great option for you.
Veneers for us means that we can get you a brand new smile same day if you wish. You'll walk out with great looking temporary veneers. 2 to 3 weeks later, we'll have your permanent veneers ready to go, and you'll be able to walk out with an awesome smile that you'll be proud of.
For full mouth reconstruction, you come in and we take a full records, including pictures, x-rays, and impressions, or even scan. And we send it to the lab so the lab can come up with a diagnostic wax out, which is a mock-up, so that you can visualize the final product. If you like the mock-up, we can proceed with the preparation of your teeth, and then you go home with the temporary crowns or temporary veneers for a couple of weeks, and then you can test drive that. And if everything is good to go, we can mimic the temporaries and make the final product in a matter of a couple of weeks.
Any patient who is not happy with their smile is a great candidate for transformative dentistry. You know, those who do this when they smile, or when they smile they do this. You know how I know? I'm a doctor, but I'm also a patient. I used to be that person. I used to not to smile at all, even though I'm a dentist, right? And a cosmetic dentist as well. That's why it's my passion. I love cosmetic dentistry. I love transformative dentistry. I want my patients to have a confident smile. Not only a smile, I want them to be confident in life as well, but it can start with a smile.
We're available for you through phone, text, email, and even online.
The first step in getting a transformative cosmetic dental procedure is saying you're ready. Call, text, email us, and schedule an appointment. We're happy to see you.
I started coming to Dentistry At Its Finest about 15 years ago when I was still smoking, and I knew at that point that I needed a lot of work done to repair damage from smoking, and I wanted a better smile. I think it was really the whole desire to improve my smile and restore that smile that gave me that confidence to quit smoking and really changed my life for the better in a lot of ways. The defining moment to me for when I knew I needed to see a dentist was when one of my crowns from a prior dentist actually fell off. I was very nervous coming in because I think I was more embarrassed with how I had let my smile deteriorate. The assistants to Dr. Ayzin, to the hygienist who worked with me at first, Rose, they really made me feel comfortable and did not ever make me feel ashamed for having got to the point where I was in my smile.
Gary came in 2006. He was a smoker. He wasn't happy with the color of his teeth, and they were also stained. We talked about straightening his teeth and then doing veneers. At the time, he was not ready for porcelain veneers, but he was open to straighten his bite and align his teeth. And after we finished his treatment with Invisalign, he had a question. He goes, "Doc, what can you do about the color?" So we discussed porcelain veneers, and it was a good fit for Gary. So we basically transformed his smile. I honestly didn't realize that Gary stopped smoking because of the veneers which we delivered for him. That's awesome to change people's lives like this.
I'm definitely proud of my smile, and the one thing I will reiterate is I wish I would have done it sooner. Anybody that's smoking, that's struggling with that, this is a great team that can help you improve your life in that aspect as well. After Dr. Ayzin had placed the veneers on that final visit, and when he said, "Okay, now I can look," after all this time of waiting, my one comment was, "Wow." And he was like, "I like to hear that." I would just recommend to anybody that's thinking about a new dentist, a new practice, or cosmetic dentistry and improvements, this team would definitely take care of you.
Patients who are unhappy with their dentures are now more curious than ever about what options are available to them. There's a lot of talk about all-on-4 or teeth in a day. We're going to clarify what that means here right now. All-on-4, otherwise known as teeth in a day, is basically a replacement for your teeth. It's a whole new set of dentition, utilizing the benefits of dental implants. Patients who have been living with pain for a long time, unhappy with their teeth, unhappy with their smile, dealing with the uncomfortableness of dentures, not being able to eat the foods and chew foods that they used to be able to eat, might be candidates for all-on-4. Technology at our office really helps our patients in so many different ways. It's more convenient, much less pain, and it alleviates a lot of our patients' fears. The technology is nothing without the amazing team we have here at Dentistry at Its Finest. We're here to listen to you, and we're here to treat you as an individual and give you the best possible treatment and care. For patients interested in dental implants, specifically all-on-4, come in for a free consultation. Call, text, email us to find out more.
It was difficult for me to chew because my teeth were just really not aligned to chew on each other or have the food, really chewed on. I had chipped front teeth all the time, unfortunately, because they also became very thin and worn. I tried not to smile if I could avoid it, and I didn't even wear lipstick because I wanted to just nobody looking at my mouth. Other dentists before Dr. Ayzin said to me, you will need to have jaw surgery to remedy that problem. And finally, I really said, well, I need a dentist who really knows what he's doing. I found Dr. Ayzin on a Yelp review, and he had wonderful reviews. And I thought, oh, he might be the answer to my prayer. When I came into the office, everybody was very kind and patient with me and did all the, I call it detective work to see what was going on. And then when I saw Dr. Ayzin, he told me that I do not need a jaw surgery, which of course, oh my gosh, this is so great. Right away, I knew that I met the right dentist.
Irene was very nice. She's a great lady. We love her. But we started very slowly. Marian had a deep bite, and because of that, she was actually biting not into the teeth, she was biting into her gums. She was open to the idea of a full mouth reconstruction. She is extremely happy with the way she feels and looks right now. Her confidence level is up there now.
Dr. Ayzin is truly, truly a perfectionist. When we were done, he showed me the results and I looked in the mirror and I said, this is just incredible. And I smiled. I went home and my husband, he said, Marian, you look just amazing. Food tastes so much better because I can now thoroughly chew it. And also it helped the structure of my face. No facelift for me, I just see Dr. Ayzin. Dr. Ayzin changed my life. He's really my hero. And every time people tell me, oh man, you look so pretty, I owe it all to Dr. Ayzin. I really do. He really changed my life. He's just an amazing dentist.
Many patients are looking to transform their smiles, but they're not aware of many options we can offer them at Dentistry at Its Finest. Here are my top 3 options which we offer to transform the smiles. Number 1, porcelain veneers. Are you the person who wants and loves instant results? Give me my smile now. Then veneers are for you. You can leave the dental office on the same appointment with an amazing looking smile right there and then. What a confidence builder. Number 2, orthodontics. Modern orthodontics is so much different than what used to be so many years ago. Now, of course, we still do braces. A lot of patients are not aware that besides traditional braces, Invisalign is an awesome option to straighten your smile. The benefits of Invisalign: it is shorter treatment than traditional braces, and you have no metal in your mouth. It's invisible. Often enough, friends of the patients are not aware that orthodontics is being done. Invisalign is much more hygienic option versus traditional braces. Why? It's much easier to keep your teeth clean when you're wearing Invisalign versus traditional braces. Over 10 million cases worldwide are done, and it does work. I'm actually a patient of that. Lastly, full mouth reconstruction. That's when patient has worn down, broken teeth, and their function is impaired. They cannot chew well, and they cannot smile. That's because teeth are not the way they used to be. They are completely shortened and worn down. What full mouth reconstruction is capable of is to build back the size of the teeth. That in turn helps people to function better, to chew better, and their smile is much more natural looking. Those are just a few options we have available at Dentistry at Its Finest. Schedule an appointment. It's a free consultation. If you're ready, give us a call, text us, email us. We are here for you. Our goal is to make you happy and provide that smile you're looking for.
For me, a smile is a gift. You make people happy, you make yourself happy, and I think that's the most important thing in life. I love to smile, but I didn't have the confidence to smile. I had some discoloration, some cavities that showed. I knew I need to get something done on my teeth, so I went to this dentist. He told me, like, you're gonna go to a place, they're gonna have an x-ray, they're really gonna see through your bone if it's possible. But then after like 10 minutes, I went back and he said like, I don't think it's possible. Right away when I heard that, like, okay, you're not even suggesting like what else? Like a positive thing like to say to your patient. You know, I went out from that dental clinic. I went to my car. And then teary-eyed, downhearted, I scroll on my phone and I saw their ads, Dentistry at Its Finest. I was there sitting and then Dr. Kwan approached me. So I could sense right away the way she talked to me. There's hope that, I can have my smile. I said, oh, thank you, God. You really lead me to good people here. I'm in the right place.
Irene is my dear patient. She came in for a second opinion because she went to another office wondering if she could get a full youthful smile back. And she was told that she had to extract all her teeth and get a whole new dentures or a lot of implants. So she felt very rejected. We looked and her teeth were very salvageable. We suggested crowning all the teeth and then actually replacing one broken tooth with an implant on the same day. Thus far, she's a happy person with a youthful smile.
When I see that my teeth, that I can smile, is it really finally happening that I have that smile? This is what I've been dreaming. This is what I've been praying. Hopefully there are other people who can meet Dr. Kwan. Some will treat it like a business, but not here, but not with Dr. Kwan. She will treat you like a family. She really cares for you, that you will have that smile, that you will have that confidence in yourself. That's her gift to you, and I'm forever be grateful.
My teeth were pretty bad. It was very embarrassing. A couple of my teeth at the bottom, they were loose. It was very painful and uncomfortable to bite, to eat. I didn't feel good at all. I feel very uncomfortable about myself. My first day coming to the office, very friendly office here. People were very nice to me. Dr. Ayzin personally was great, very positive, very comfortable to talk to.
When Xavier first came in, his teeth weren't in great shape. His gums were super inflamed. He had so much decay, disease going on in his mouth. He'd be getting bacteria going into his bloodstream. It's terrible for your heart. He wanted something that he could eat regular foods with, looks like real teeth, and functions like real teeth. We did something called All on 4 and replaced his entire dentition with a whole new set of teeth using dental implants, all in one day.
It's a wonderful feeling to have like beautiful teeth and be able to smile. I was very excited actually to be here. And I recommend a lot of people to come here and get this procedure done. I'm grateful what these people done here. Dr. Ayzin is amazing. It's a joy to smile again and be able to go about life.